Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 豚としめじの炊き込みご飯. Takikomi gohan is Japanese version of paella, so to speak. Rice and the other ingredients cooked in one pot. Today, I'm using pork and shimeji mushroom, but you can use any mushroom you like. Mushroom is full of umami, so it makes the whole dish so flavorful. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this 豚としめじの炊き込みご飯, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice. Shimeji mushrooms, or any mushroom you like, as much as you like. 200 grams of thinly sliced pork. This is pork rib slices, but you can use any part you like. Some ginger. 1 tablespoon each of sake, sugar, mirin, and soy sauce. These are to cook these. You also need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So ginger. I'm going to make it into very thin, like needle thin strips. I'm going to use it with the skin on, but please peel if you want to. Let's make it into very thin slices first. Then into strips. Let's put it in the pot. Shimeji mushrooms. Cut the bottom off. Break it into pieces and put in the pot. And pork into bite-sized pieces. Also into the pot. One tablespoon each of sake, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar into the pot. Let's also add 1 tablespoon of water. And cook until everything in the pot is well cooked. If it starts to burn, add some water little by little, but not too much. Everything is well cooked. I didn't add any extra water other than the 1 tablespoon at the beginning, but a lot of water came out from the mushroom. Turn the heat off and just let it sit. Now, I'm going to prepare the rice, so let's rinse it. Put some water. Gently stir. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Then all these seasonings. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. Give it a stir. And the pork and the shimeji mixture, the broth and everything, on top of the rice. You don't mix it in. Cover with the lid and cook until it comes to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it cook for 14 minutes. Cooked for 14 minutes. Kill the heat and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. Steam for 10 minutes. Let's mix and fluff. Let's serve in the bowl. And 豚ときのこの炊き込みご飯 is ready to go. いただきます。It's full of umami. The hint of ginger is doing a great job and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚としめじの炊き込みご飯 goes here, and how about spinach miso soup here? You can have whatever you like for the other dishes, but I think I want to have ちくわとオクラの天ぷら for the main, 人参のおかかきんぴら for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh my palate for the other side. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.